My name is Dustin Bales. We're here at Nippon Dynawave in Longview, Washington. I am the L3 paper machine assistant manager. We installed the web monitoring system on L3 in about 2020. After that, we installed the web inspection system in 2022 on L3. Following that project, the project went very well and the results were very promising for our production. The extruder department decided to install a web inspection system on L6 last year. So with our whiz beams, we have the high angle transmission and the 3D side light that helps us detect indents and outdents and wrinkles. We did some sample testing at the beginning phases of the project that showed very promising results. We chose Procemex for the smart camera technology for the OnePlatform integration between the web inspection system and the web monitoring system, the virtualization, and the automatic target control. Before, we struggled with picking up wrinkles. With the new 3D side light, it helps detect wrinkles very well. Some of the defects that we were able to see with the new Procemex system was the detail of the indents and outdents. The image quality of the defects are far superior than our previous system and helps us with diagnosing and troubleshooting issues on the paper machine. One of the added benefits was the OnePlatform system. Being able to go back to your web monitoring system and see where the defect originated from help cut down our troubleshooting time and resolving the issue faster. It's very simple now for me to remote in from home and access the server and do everything. Either anything I can't do over the computer, I'm able to call and walk them through it, doing it in person here at the mill. So Procemex's service has been great. Their 24/7 help desk has been very helpful. They respond back very quickly to help us resolve the issues. And any issues that we do have, they usually follow up with a write-up of everything. So Procemex's service with spare parts has been great so far. Some of the issues that we have had, they have been very quick at getting us parts and helping us through the issue, whether that be with overnighting parts from Finland or sending parts back and getting them rebuilt quickly. We do have spare parts on hand, and they've worked with us very well. Our service contract, we have quarterly visits. Procemex service techs that have been in here at the mill have been very helpful with keeping the system up to speed, keeping everything running at optimum performance. Procemex's service has been far superior from our previous system. The uptime has been far better than what we were used to in the past, and the service has been instantaneous. Always getting a response on issues that we're having in a very timely manner and helping resolve the issue faster. So after we selected the system, we went through our engineering phase of the project. We traveled to Jyväskylä, Finland to do the factory acceptance testing and training. Procemex made us very confident in their ability for commissioning of the system because they have had prior experience with similar products and knowing how to set up the system early to have things dialed in to a point where we felt confident when we commissioned the system. So when I get here in the morning, one of the first things I do is log on to the Procemex system and see what our production looked like from the night before. Look and see if we had any issues come through. Look at some of the defects and see what they look like and how things have been running throughout the night. So yeah, any critical defects or repeating defects that we're having, we start with the web inspection system. We look at, position of where it's at on the reel map. And from there, we'll use the OnePlatform to walk our way back down the machine towards the wet end to see where the defect originated from. Some of the stuff that I've seen coming off of our mid-ply headbox on the Ford Near through the web monitoring system cameras have been very impressive. Yeah, the image quality is very good. Being able to, if we get shives or wood fibers, being able to look at the image and see that small wood fiber and know that it's a wood fiber, it's very impressive. Yeah, I mean, our images are staying cleaner, clearer, longer, less cleaning, less maintenance needed on the pinhole cameras. We're able to put them in environments where typically a camera wouldn't able to be to maintain a good image quality. Yeah, we use the Procemex system quite a bit for the customer claims department. If we have claims that come in with product that was sold with a defect or some kind of issue with the board, we always review the Procemex reel maps and look at that production of that paper that was made. Quality is very important on our board, and with the automatic target control, it made it easier for our operators to find the defects and resolve the issues faster. Our current marking system is far superior than what we had before. So with our previous marking system, we had a cleanliness issue with overspray and pouring ink into the bulk containers. With our new marking system, is very clean. Virtually no overspray, very little issues, and changing out and refilling the ink on the system is very user-friendly and clean with the cartridges. Yeah, I've had to switch out a couple cameras now. It's very easy and user-friendly. All of the documentation that Procemex has for troubleshooting the cameras, changing the camera out, makes it very seamless. Daily routine for maintenance on it is making sure that we have airflow through the beams, that the cameras are staying clean, checking the server for any alarms that we might have on any cameras, and making sure that it's working. Some of our future goals for Procemex are adding more WMS cameras down the machine to better help the OnePlatform with identifying defects origination, where they start from. Help us with troubleshooting issues on the machine much faster. For the OnePlatform system, the more cameras, the better. So when we initially installed the project, we were looking at 32 cameras for our web monitoring system. That got cut down to 16, and we didn't understand cause and effect, taking away that many cameras, how that would affect the OnePlatform system and its ability to pick up those defects. I would recommend Procemex to our competitors, yes.